In this part of this looting series, I will look at what we know so far about the 5 alleged looters from the Manning Valley. The source of the public information are the police media releases. Like my bushfire series, I will discuss them as a group to see if we can get some insights. First, the 5 alleged looters are all male. Their ages are 20, 26, 37, 44 and 45. We don't know yet if they're local or outsiders who have travelled to Taree or Wingham to allegedly loot. There is no evidence that any of the 5 are connected to each other. Could it be that they have each individually had the idea to allegedly loot? They were allegedly caught alone and not doing the offence in company. I think this is an area to watch out for. In my bushfire series, we got interesting insights into lone bushfire arsonists compared to the bushfire arsonists who offend with their friends. 4 of the alleged looters were allegedly caught during the night, while one was caught at 9:30 in the morning. I've got to say allegedly a lot because we're early in the legal proceedings. The Manning River was at its highest between the 20th and the 25th of May 2025. The 5 reported flood-related deaths from the Manning and other catchments occurred during this peak. The alleged offending occurred when the river started falling on the 25th, the 27th, the 29th and the 31st of May. So it was in the week immediately after the peak. In this week immediately after the peak, we saw restricted access because roads and bridges had been washed away. There was a focus on making contact with people who were known to be isolated or had had no contact with anyone during the worst of the flood. If possible, people started returning to their flood-impacted homes during this time. Many had been rescued from their roofs by helicopters. On the TV and the newspapers, we watched the community race to shovel mud out of their homes and businesses before it dries. In my opinion, the alleged offending happens when the community are likely needing the most support, meaning the offending happens at the same time as the full reality of the flood on the community is uncovered as the floodwaters recede. The shock, the homelessness, death, loss of livelihood are just starting to be confirmed. I wonder if this context will be said out loud at Taree Local Court.